Our 8th lecture video on properties of matter will discuss properties of gases. Expansion is the property of a gas in which the rapid random movements of its molecules causes the gas to completely occupy its container. In this picture, we see that on top, there is a barrier which causes the gas to only occupy the left half of its container. When the barrier is removed on the bottom picture, the gas completely occupies the entire container. However, because the same amount of gas particles are present in both pictures, the gas particles are a little more spread out in the bottom picture. The other property of gases we are going to discuss is diffusion. Diffusion is the process by which molecules of a gas mix with molecules of a solid, liquid, or another gas. An example of diffusion would be if you remove the cap on a can of gasoline in a garage, you can smell the gas across the garage. Similarly, if you put a gas in a liquid, like in this picture, the gas particles will diffuse and spread out throughout the entire container. This concludes our discussion on the properties of gases.